Okay, so I'm using ELDRIC and Grim Reaper. Trust me, this is gonna be the last time. If I don't win this, I don't know what to say. I've played so many games and I've lost every time. And I got like 50 kills every time also. This kit combo is good for like, I mean, it's good. It's just good. Can't really fight ELDRIC. Unless you're Zephyr. Yeah. Or Hannah. Or Adetunde. Yeah. Anyways. Since my teammates are doing the same thing, like a ritual, I'm just gonna go to mid. I should have had my staff ready on. Easy kill. Oh my god, of course his teammate. I hate it when you're about to get the freest kill and then they just jump into the void. Why does everyone jump into the void? I still have 0 stacks because that kid jumped off. There's a kid right there. I'm gonna fight him. Is he running? I'm running. Oh, wait, the skeletons give stacks. Forgot. Of course there's a Zephyr. Of course the Zephyr that I was talking about is already destroying man. What is it like? I need. Is he Void Knight? Oh my god, how does he do so much damage? I'm done, bro. My teammate has iron armor. He's Jang camping. Wow, thanks, teammate. Did he just... How do the skeletons have so much health? Bro. Free ELDRIC stacks off the skeletons. Not this kid. Never mind. Free ELDRIC stacks. For that guy too, if his teammate didn't come. Still free. Maybe this kid? I think he's like OP. Yeah, bro. 20. See? Is that a diamond sword? He's still camping Jen. Okay, I'm just gonna... I don't know what to do. Maybe wait for ores. I'm killing people in iron armor and my teammates have like no kills with iron armor. I died and then that kid just ran. Why did he jump off? What does that look? Not generator? Are we serious? This is what I mean, they're gen camping. Bro. Anyways. Bro, I just need 20 iron. I can just get this free kill right here. Oh, they start running the second they take 5 damage. Bro. His teammate just has to come. Finally. Oh my god. How long have my teammates been sitting in gen? Finally. I'm home. That kid then, huh? What the? Hello? Bro, why did he jump off? What's my teammate doing? Oh, now you come down for the kill. Okay, bro. Okay. So one person at a time. Easy kill. Oh, of course he jumped off. That's weird. He's weird. Oh my gosh. They start running like when they take 1 damage. Oh. 1 damage. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Never mind. I swear if he jumps off. I'm gonna quit that worse. If one more person jumps off. And it's not me. Bro, I knew I was gonna fall off. I hate altitude. They have to fix the knockbacks. The knockback on altitude is broken. That was. Yeah, I still have a chance. I have the most kills. Never mind. My team has the same amount of kills. Oh, never mind. Stupid. Out of 10, they has 12. This kid is easy. I swear if he jumps off. Did he just leave? Oh. Did bro seriously just like... I don't know what he did. Oh, of course, he needs his teammate. Like the second his teammate comes back, he then starts fighting. Bro! Why did this kid get the bag? I could've gone Eldric stats. Or die before he can fall. I love this kit combo. I still don't know if I'm gonna win because, as I said, like I always get like a bunch of kills and then like last minute lose. Of course they need to 2v1, of course. No, we can win. Okay, team, yeah, good. My teammate left. Okay, then this kid gets his team. Now it's a fair fight. Oh, did the teammate just... The teammate just stole all. I'm gonna spawn kill this guy's teammate. One person. This kit is so simple. They can run if they want. Those kids. I'm trying to spawn kill in peace. Oh, shit. My bad. Run from me. Where's the guy out of tweet come from? Almost one shot me. A second, so the thing regenerates. It's gone enough time. Fuck. JC Ninja. Will I make up for it? Oh wait, I have my stash. Should I just... Okay. Wait, is my teammate getting spawn killed? I gotta walk in. Oh my God, the bar's out. He opened up the door. Watch him break the bridge. I might as well just use a wood sword. Oh, I dropped it with my wood sword. critical strike not even work on Titan? I mean, this Eldritch staff not even work with critical strike? I'm gonna kill them with my wood sword. I'm gonna fight them with my wood sword. Kill them with a wood sword. Oh, how did I even... I don't even know what I did. I'm gonna go fight this kid with a wood sword. There's 12 M's. I'm a berserker. I got this. Oh shoot. Oh, Hannah. No! Bro. That miner just got stacked. Oh. Well, let me get an ancient. Berserker. Forced. It doesn't even work with Eldritch staff. Eldritch staff. Half of the enchants even work with Eldritch. No, teammate, why were you there? Okay, kill me. Oh shit. My bad. Family friendly. How did he... Is my teammate hacking? How did you just kill everyone? Or if he just killed everyone with one sword hit. W fight. Kill him with my wood sword. Okay. So 112 health? What? I swear if I don't have any M's. Berserker? I guess it's okay. Does it last longer? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.